I'm Hinako from Japan Dig. Japan is famous for its incredible transportation system. Buses, trains, and the iconic Shinkansen, called bullet train, connect the country with incredible speeds. If you ever use public transportation in Japan, you probably notice something else. It's very clean. But how do they keep it that clean? Today, we're going behind the scene of Shinkansen to find out.
Japan's iconic high-speed train, Shinkansen. It connects the two major cities of East and West, Tokyo and Osaka, in about 2.5 hours. Its maximum speed is 285 kilometers per hour. In 2020, to increase transport capacity, the number of trains per hour was increased from 10 to 12. At Tokyo Station, people in blue uniforms are waiting for the Shinkansen to arrive. They are the cleaning and maintenance staff for the Shinkansen cars. At 1:24 p.m., Shinkansen arrives at Tokyo Station. It will soon head back towards Shin Osaka. The cleaning crew have only 10 minutes to complete their work before the next passengers board. Two staff members are assigned to each car. Their tasks include sweeping and replacing trash bags. In a flash, they are back on the platform.
本数が増えるとですね、やっぱり在線時間、新幹線が止まっている時間が、とても短くなってきますので、やっぱりその分作業時間も短くなってくるんですけれども、そこは品質を落とさずにお客様に提供できるように私たち努めております。
The time allowed for their work was originally 15 minutes. Now, it's 10 minutes. This requires even greater efficiency. They say it takes 1 year to become a full-fledged cleaning crew. We were given special access to a Shinkansen recreated exactly as it looks right after the passengers exit. After collecting the trash left by passengers, the cleaning crews swiftly flip all the seats with practiced efficiency. This is because the train's direction of travel changes for its return trip.
このレバー踏んでいただくとですね、自分の方に座席を引き寄せるような形で椅子が回りますので。
A reporter tried it to compare the difference in speed. Using both feet, the cleaning crew steps on the lever and quickly flips the seats on both sides.
音が聞こえなくなったんですけど、僕まだちょっと半分もようやくできたかぐらい。
Compared to the reporter who flipped one side at a time, the difference in speed was obvious. The cleaning crew finished the job in about half the time. After flipping the seats, they immediately begin cleaning. They say there's a secret to the tools they use.
こちらが、座席確認に使用するエクスプレスサーモットと言います。
これスマートフォンがついてるんですね。
そうですね。はい。こちらの方に濡れ検知アプリというアプリが入ってまして、でこの先端の部分にですねカメラがついてるんですけども、このカメラで撮影した画像をこの中に入っているアプリで判定をしていくというような形になります。
The tip of the pole has a thermographic camera. When you place it on a seat and take a picture, it can automatically detect 3 or 2 seats at once. The AI detects wet seats by temperature, letting the crew instantly replace it with a spare.
座席も色が濃かったりとか、しますので、やっぱり濡れっていうのはちょっと瞬時でなかなか目視で発見するのは難しいんですけれども、こちらの機械を導入してからは、しっかりと確認しております。はい。
Until 3 years ago, a sensor-equipped magic broom was used to check for wet seats. However, there are about 1,300 seats in one train set. Bending over and firmly pressing the broom against every seat for inspection was physically taxing for the cleaning crew. The express thermit was introduced to alleviate this burden. Field feedback also led to improvements, such as a dustpan designed to fit directly into a trash bag. These cumulative improvements allow them to clean the train in just 10 minutes.
現在少子化ということで、人が集まらない中、サーモット導入時のように機械ができることは機械に任せて、人が行わなければいけないところはより丁寧に人で行って東海道新幹線を末永く支えていけたらなと思っております。
Behind the smooth, punctual operations of the comfortable Shinkansen, there are professionals who work at super express speed to keep the cars in perfect condition.